Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You know, it's Rush, the Discover Boss, and you're on the Rush Raymore Reviews channel. So we're here with another video. It's another community driving video. We are in Meadowbrook. So we're doing a quick drive around the community with you guys. So stay tuned. And first of all, thanks so much for clicking on the video. And if you're new to the channel, don't hesitate. If you're still seeing that subscribe button red, just turn it gray by clicking and joining the family. Remember to leave a comment, remember to like, and remember to share the video as well. So it's a quick drive around Meadowbrook. We're just doing a series of community drives. If you check out the channel, you see quite a good number of other communities that are already featured. So this is another one. Nice view of the mansions and multi-story houses on the hill, you know, decorating the hillside. Very nice view from down here in Meadowbrook. Meadowbrook, very nice community nevertheless. The lot sizes are very big, and you have some nice houses as well. But let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Definitely leave your comments. Let me know what you think about Meadowbrook. You probably reside in this community right now, or used to live in this community, or grew up in this community. Just let me know in the comments section. Alright, so guys, stay tuned and enjoy the drive. Guys, so coming up in front of me is the Meadowbrook Preparatory School, Meadowbrook Prep, right ahead. Alright, so Meadowbrook shares border with Avondale, so they're neighboring communities. Alright guys, so quick glimpses, quick drive around the community of Meadowbrook. Remember to leave your comments. Remember to like the video. Remember to subscribe. And remember to share as well. So we'll end the video around right here. This is a little commercial area, you know, shopping, supermarket, growing provision, taxi stand. So a little community center right, you know, next to, well, basically borders Avondale and Meadowbrook.